Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. Today I am going to show you at another live trading video. So this is done basically to handhold and also to guide. There are many who are not able to enter at the correct time, exit at the correct time. So in order to handhold, in order to show how exactly the trade has to be done, so that I am recording this video, and also to tell you that this strategy can be used in equity segment, in cash as well as in features. I prefer features because I feel it more comfortable, but if you feel in cash, you can trade in cash also. And once again, to remind you, this is a 2-minute strategy for working professionals. You just have to spend 2 minutes. I bet only 2 minutes. I'll show you how, and then you don't even have to look into your screen again till night when you reach back your house. So you just have to place trade around 9:15 to 9:30 in that range. Make yourself free for around 2-3 minutes in that range, and then forget. You don't have to even manually come and do anything. Nothing else be done. Just if you're curious to know if you're in profit or loss, you can just come around 10 o'clock, around 11 o'clock, and then just see if you are in profit or in loss. That's it, nothing else to be done. Okay, so let us go to today's live trading video. Before going, this is my channel Angel Trading Friend. People who are watching for the first time, don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe button. You'll be getting lots of videos on commodities as well as in equities, available in Hindi as well as English. So today's live trading video, today we had selected Grasim. Grasim had a very good downfall today. And there are, as you all know, there are many few futures. We decide on selecting the stock, which all those who are taking the strategy will be aware of. I immediately send WhatsApp so that everybody who are trading along with me using the open trade facility can make use of these calls. So today's sell price is 1034, and the target and stop loss would be 4. Fine, very pretty enough. So 9:20 the call is given, friends. So once the call is given, then I'll place for myself. I'm using the OCO order, or otherwise it is known as bracket order. Target and stop loss I'm keeping as 4. So you can see that within 1 minute, less than 1 minute itself, I place a trade. Nothing else. Even the stock selection also is very easy. Those who are taking the strategy will be knowing it, but nothing else, pretty much easy. Yeah, so you can see that within 1 minute, 9:20 I gave the order, and 9:21 I have placed my order. So you can see roughly less than 2 minutes I have spent the time. And if you want to use this facility available in Zerodha and Upstock, you can use the link which I provided in the description of the video and join Upstock or Zerodha. You'll be getting 50% discount on my open trade service. So what is open trade? This is open trade. As soon as I trade, I immediately send WhatsApp of what I trade, so that we travel in the same boat. Okay, so let us see the result for today. So you can see that my target is hit 1029. And my stop loss has been cancelled automatically. I have not done anything manually. Trust me, friends, this is the beauty of bracket order or OC order. So the portfolio, we can see, profit of 3000. So I think 3000 is not a bad amount, friends. With an investment of around 30,000, you are earning 3000 rupees, and that too without any headache. So around 10:15, 10:20 I got time to look into the screen, so that is why I am recording this video. But then you don't have to look into your screen also. You are just placing the trade and you are continuing with your work, and the trade executes automatically. You don't have to do anything manually. If target hits, then the stop loss will be automatically cancelled. If stop loss hits, the target will be cancelled. So nothing to be done manually. Just place your trade at 9:20 and then just forget. 9:15 to 9:20 you can place and just forget. So thank you, friends. If you want this facility, if you want this open trades, just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Thank you and have a nice day. Trading done for the day, profit done for the day. Thank you.